We move on to Light Chapter 15, part 5, on page 212, 213, and 214. In the previous section, we have discussed about the part of eye. There are different parts of an eye, that is retina, cornea, and iris pupil, and also islands. Our islands are convex lens, and also there are yellow spot and blind spot. In blind spot there is no vision take place. Today this activity 8 is to see why our pupil size is decreasing or increasing after seeing dim and bright light. Here your friend is putting torch light on your eye. What will happen? Your pupil size will be shrinked, that is size of the pupil will be decreased in order to control the overcoming of light, because more amount of light is entering into our pupil. In order to control the amount of light, in order to regulate the amount of light, in order to decrease the amount of light, the pupil size is shrinked. But if you are going to dark room, what will happen? Our pupil enlarges more. Pupil size is increased because the light is enough light is not entering into the eye, entering through the pupil of an eye. So we couldn't able to see. In order to that, in order to enter the amount of light, more amount of light, the pupil size is increased. So we can infer that if there is more light is entering into the eye, the pupil size will be decreased in order to control the amount of light. If there is no light, or if you are in dark room, the pupil size will be increased in order to allow more light into our eyes. Here is an activity 9 to demonstrate the blind spot. Here you are going to take a white sheet of paper. End of this paper you mark a cross like this, and make a round spot dot to the right of this cross at the distance of 7 centimeter to the cross. Now close your left eye, hold the sheet at same distance from the eye and look at the cross continuously. Now you are going to move the sheet slowly towards your eye, keeping your eye on the cross. What do you observe? You can see that the round mark disappears at some point. If you repeat the same activity by closing your right eye and looking at the round mark, what will happen? The cross mark disappear at some point. This is because of blind spot. This activity you have to try at home. The next topic is defect of vision. Because of abnormalities in the vision of our eye, there are two defects occurs, that is myopia, only we can see short distance object, that is called short-sightedness, hypermetropia, that is long-sightedness, only we can see long distance object. Causes of this short-sightedness or myopia is due to the decreasing focal length of our eye lens and also elongation of eyeball, that is increase in the length of eyeball. This can be corrected by using concave lens with a suitable focal length. The same way, long-sightedness or hypermetropia is just opposite to myopia. This is caused due to increase in focal length of our eye lens and shortening of eyeball. This can be corrected by using convex lens with a suitable focal length. Students, what we have to do, our eye is most important prominent part of our body. That is what we have to take care of our eye. We have to use proper nutritious food in order to increase our sight. Vitamin A rich food like milk, cheese, tomato, carrot, cod liver oil, cabbage, mango, spinach, and greeny vegetable. This will help you to improve your eye defect. If there is lack of vitamin A in our body, it causes night blindness. The person suffering from night blindness can see only during the day. After 6 p.m., they cannot see one another. Children, we have to protect our eye. In order to protect our eye, we have to take some proper steps, proper care. Wash your eyes with cold water 3-4 times in a day. While reading or watching television, close and open your eyes, that is blink your eyes now and then. Don't read in the moving bus or train, and also don't read in the dim or too bright light. In case any dirt or insect get into your eyes, don't rub your eyes, which may harm your eyes. So you have to wash your eyes with clean water and also consult doctor immediately. You know that owls can see well at night because owls' eyes have more number of rod cells than the cone cell. You know that rod cell only sensitive to dim light. That is what they could see in night. You know that visually challenged blind people, they read and write, learn in the way of Braille cell. It is a kind of board cell in which each dot is erased over the board. With the help of feeling, touching these dots, they can identify the letters. This is called Braille system of learning.